The Third China International Consumer Products Expo, or Hainan Expo, is being held here in South China's Hainan province from April 10th to 15th, drawing over 3,300 brands from 65 countries and regions. The total exhibition area reaches 120,000 square meters, an increase of 20% over the previous edition. So what are the new products presented at this year's Expo? Join me today, let's find out. And this is our global launch of new product steam cleaner SC5D. It can generate very powerful steams. It's equipped with Karcher's unique heating technology. And the key features of the machine is that we don't use any chemical materials and we only use pure waters. The Hainan Free Trade Port offers a lot of good policies to the foreign companies, and it brings us closer to the customers.
Consider Import Thailand brings new products, Damas, into the Hainan Expo. Series put the local Alaqa pattern on the suit. Later it became damask.
This year, Xiaobohui, we bring Afghan handmade lapis. These are all handmade in Afghanistan. Inside you see there is Afghan jade, marble, lapis lazuli. All these stones are handcrafted by Hainan Expo. We get the opportunity to promote this product in Hainan market and get more opportunity to bring more beautiful Afghan products here.
As a display and trading platform for global high-quality consumer goods, Hainan Expo gathers more and more sellers and buyers from home and abroad, and it offers a glimpse of China's readiness to share opportunities and development dividends with the world, and its consistent resolve to boost common development for all.